I'm Michael Golden from Educurious, and what we want to do is partner with you, teachers and schools, to change what happens in the classroom every day. So we've been working at this for about 3.5 years. We're a nonprofit trying to take all the PBL and project-based learning to the next level and put together a solution that empowers students as developing experts on a trajectory towards mastery and gives them ownership of their work and puts them at the center of the work, trying to solve real-world problems in conjunction with their teachers and experts around the country and the world. So the core elements of what Educurious does is we do this core curriculum in problem and project-based learning, and the focus is really tying exactly into the Common Core and built to the Common Core next-gen science standards, but also having students take agency and motivation in their classroom, and ultimately changing their aspirations and their image of themselves. The second piece is about empowering teachers and providing a support system, a series of supports for competency and capacity building in a community of learners across the country. So we connect all the teachers together and build the capabilities around what they already bring to the party, and then also to help them reposition themselves as activators in their classroom and thinking about building a support system together. The next aspect is the blended learning approach, where we put all of this online. It's all delivered in a digital, rich environment. And students are working not only through technology, where technology becomes a tool, but with disciplinary tools. So they use the software that Hollywood screenwriters use when they write their screenplays, or they use the centrifuges that geneticists in the Mayo Clinic use when they're doing DNA barcoding. And the last aspect is building a national network that we've put together of experts, working and retired professionals, who actually offer challenges to students and give them direct and immediate feedback on their work. So it is, as students work in infectious disease unit, for example, they're hearing and working with Xbox, Microsoft developers on the gaming aspects of building a model to replicate the transmission of the viruses and the infectious diseases, and then how do you cure that? And they're also working with CDC scientists. So they're getting this direct feedback, and therefore the aspirations of what those careers are and the visibility into them and what it takes to get there. So we love the fact that teachers are actually repositioning themselves in their classroom, that students want to come to school, and that experts can give back and create a pipeline of workers all at the same time. Over the last 3 years, we've created a research basis for our work, and now we know not only are students doing better on high-stakes tests, better in attendance and grades, and lower discipline and out-of-school suspensions, but they actually are more motivated in school, and they now have a different self-image and agency and ownership of their work. And teachers tell us, this is why I got into teaching. I'm reinvigorated because now the instructional model is shared with students and working professionals and my colleagues across the country. So I encourage you to come and join us in room P3 to hear more about our model. When you'll see some of the videos and some of the engagement of students and some of the outcomes of the products they're creating, I'm sure you'll be as inspired as we are every day. Thank you.